Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well, and I gonna I'm I'm sick. Like I have a lung infection, so I'm on antibiotics. Anyhow, um, other than that, we got a snowstorm going on out there. It's blowing around snow and it's windy, and I don't know if we're going to get as much as what they predicted, but what we're getting is coming up from the U.S. Anyhow. Um, This is, I went to Dollar General yesterday and I picked up a few things. Anyhow, so these are, these are string tags. You can write with them. You can write on them with chalk. They're chalkboard tags. Anyhow, uh, so there's 30 tags in there for $2. And I've got myself a 6-inch ruler. So when working on smaller things like little journals, um, it's easier to use a 6-inch ruler than looking for the 12-inch. Anyhow, so it was $2. It's a metal, and on the back there's what do you call it, cork board, so that way it's not going to slip around. Hopefully, yeah. So that was $2. And I got laser cut. Excuse me, laser cut wood numbers. Back to that, those are $1.50. And I found these. These are stickers. They were $1.50 a pack. Um, they're 3D. I really like these. These are, they call them vintage elegance, but these are awesome. Um, they're, anyhow. And I got these mermaid stickers because there's something that I might start working on. Depends on how things go. It's $1.25 for the sheet, and it's got obviously mermaids and palm trees and shells and starfish, and oh, look at that, it's a seahorse. Anyhow, and there's a turtle there. And I got these stickers. They're for $1.25. It's 2 sheets of them for corners and for borders. And that's for excuse me, um, frames. Anyhow, like that. And I got 2 packages of these. These are, and ask me why? I don't know. I don't like bugs. But anyhow, yeah, I got 2 packages of these. That they were $1.25 each, $1.50 each. I got 2 of those, and they had some stamps. So they had some clear stamps, and this is the unicorn and a rainbow, and they had the faces. Oh, sorry for the glare. Maybe I should bring it up closer. There. Now, with these, because I already have a set of these, and I have another set of these. And what I do is I'll keep them in my giveaway stuff. So whenever I do a giveaway, I might add a stamp set to it as a prize. And I also found this cactus. They only had one like this. And look at this whale. oil stamps. They only had one like this also. Anyhow, and those stamp sets are only $2 each. And I got myself a composition book. So I'll be doing something in here at some point also. So that's it. That's all I got. Dollar General haul. So I hope you like that. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the down below the video. Share my videos, please. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. And click the little bell so you can get notification whenever I upload a video. Sorry, even talking, I'm a little bit out of breath. Not fun. Anyhow, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you another time. Ciao.